What's up guys, this is Greg from Masterson's Car Care, and today I'm going to show you how to use hand sanitizer gel to clean your hands and keep them germ free. Now if you're like me and you're always on the go, you want to keep some hand sanitizer with you when you travel to keep your hands clean and germ free. Now you want to pick the right hand sanitizer so your hands don't get dried out and feel cracky. That's why I'm going to show you how to use hand sanitizer gel. Now, this is our Masterson's Car Care hand sanitizer gel. As you can see in the bottle, it has bubbles inside of it because this is a gel formula. Now, this is my favorite hand sanitizer to use because the gel formula makes my hands feel softer and it sticks on my hands so it doesn't drip off as easy. I like to keep my hands clean in my car and I don't want to drip any hand sanitizer on my seat or my carpet. So I have some hand sanitizer gel that always sticks to the hands and keeps it easy to clean with hand sanitizer. Now this is a 16-ounce bottle right here, but we also have a 4-ounce bottle, and when I'm on the go, I always carry the 4-ounce bottle. It fits in my pocket, my glove box, my motorcycle bag, my jacket. It fits anywhere I need to go when I'm on the move. So I like to use this size bottle when I'm traveling. Now today I'm going to show you how to use hand sanitizer properly to keep your hands clean. Now doctors recommend that if your hands are dirty, you want to wash them with soap and warm water, but sometimes you don't have that available, and that's when hand sanitizer comes into play. Now this hand sanitizer is 75% alcohol, so it's going to clean and kill germs. It's actually going to kill 99.9% of germs, and it's going to make the hands feel soft as well. So take your hand sanitizer, put your hand out, and the trick to using hand sanitizer is you don't want to overuse it. So take a little bit, just enough to fill the palm of your hand. You see how I filled the palm of my hand? That's just enough to do both hands. So if your hands are bigger, you could put a little bit more in your palm, and then go ahead and spread it all over your hands, and make sure you get in between your fingers as well. Bacteria and germs often fit in between your fingers, and also go up on your arms a little bit because you might lean on tables or you might touch other objects, and rub it into your hands. And you want to keep rubbing it into your hands until they start to dry. And then the alcohol inside the formula is going to evaporate and leave your hands dry. Now my hands are feeling clean right now. It's pulled off all the dirt and any type of germs, and now I'm just going to let my hands sit in the air for a minute. Some people like to move their hands along like that. And it helps it dry faster. And then after just a few seconds, your hands are feeling clean, and my hands smell clean as well. So if you're on the go and you're traveling, this hand sanitizer gel is gonna be a great way to keep your hands clean when you're interacting with other people. So you're touching people's hands, you're shaking hands, you're at a party, you wanna keep your hands clean and healthy. This is a great way to do it while you're on the go. Now, if you wanna pick up some hand sanitizer gel, if you like this formula, hop over to our website, mastersonswax.com, pick up everything you need to get your car looking great, plus some hand sanitizer. And thanks a lot, guys. This is Greg from Masterson's Car Care. We'll see you next time. And always remember, have fun, stay clean, and keep on detailing.